The Daikin Ducted System provides discreet air conditioning comfort, which is ideal for medium to large homes. The unit is hidden away in the roof space, and the air is distributed through ductwork throughout the house.
When we first moved in, there was no air conditioning system of any kind, and a ducted air conditioning system we felt was always going to be the right fit for our family. Well, we're quite routine in terms of where we spend our time throughout the day, so being able to zone specific areas in the house means we're not wasting money on air conditioning areas that we're not actually using.
The Inverter Ducted is manufactured in Australia to suit Australia's conditions. The indoor unit's compact design makes it great for tight roof spaces. The outdoor unit is also compact, which makes placement of the outdoor unit more flexible.
So when we decided to get air conditioning, we thought it was a good idea to get the experts in. So we contacted a local Daikin specialist dealer who came and did an assessment of the house. He noted the roof space was quite tight, so recommended a Daikin Inverter Ducted System because the indoor unit is quite compact.
Once installed, only the controller, supply and return air grills are visible, making it less intrusive. Zone control is available on all ducted systems. It essentially allows the end user to heat or cool specific areas within the home instead of the whole home.
The inverter ducted unit has a DC fan motor for the indoor unit. This allows greater flexibility with airflow, so depending on how big or how small your house is. Also improvements in efficiency over a standard AC motor.
The outdoor nighttime quiet mode reduces noise levels during the sleeping hours and resumes normal operations in the morning. Daikin's inverter technology enables you to maintain comfortable temperatures in your home whilst keeping your energy bills low.
Since we've had the Daikin installed, we haven't looked back. It keeps the whole house at the perfect temperature, and yeah, we're so happy. We love it.
For more information, visit daikin.com.au.